I'm Janine, and I'll be your facilitator today for our History Quest Revolutionary War. I know you all have been studying and preparing. And so what we're going to do is start off with the presentations, then we'll have 20 minutes for you to frantically research and figure out what the other class presented, and then we'll hear our guesses and then find out the correct answer. So that's our agenda. With that, I'm going to turn it over to our first class.
As Clue, he was smart, hardworking, a great captain, natural, generous, and imaginative.
My name is Beep, 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 Virginia is my home, and make my horses turn to glue if I can't deliver up to you a resolution of independency.
So, word search.
Yeah, it's a word search.
It's nice.
What's inside of it? How many names should there possibly be in there that they can find?
Like 3 or 4?
4.
4 probably.
There's one that should really stand out.
Yeah, there's one that should stand out.
And this is, Live died on March 1770.
Originally from New Jersey, he became a delegate to the Second Continental Congress.
Live from Stone Middle School in the beautiful Paris, Texas. We come from our weekly show, SMS, to present our Revolutionary War talk show. And here's your host, Jay Lamo.
Thanks, Philbert. Today on SMS, we're going to discuss the controversial general issue. Let's get started. Bailey, tell me a little bit about his early life.
Some accounts tell us he was born in Scotland and was trained as a surgeon.
Foxfire is found on decaying trees. Foxfire produces a green glow. It was used to light the interior of this invention because it wasn't flammable.
This is the speed of this invention.
This is an event that happens in history with this reptile and this bird, except it was with our invention.
Welcome to Daily No Deal's History Quest version. Let's find today's contestant.
The invention was stolen by a pharmacist in Paris when he showed the idea to this acquaintance. I was buried in Princeton Cemetery.
Second part of our clue is a Bush's baked beans can.
What's the slogan on there?
No one thinks them better.
I'm going to put up a timer, and I'll give you 15 minutes for researching, and when we come back, we'll hear your guesses and then the correct answers. So I'll see you in 15 minutes. You can stay connected. Move on. So Berrien Springs, if you guys could share your guess for Florida, then share your guess for Ohio, then share your guess for Pennsylvania, then we'll move on to the next class.
Our guess for Pennsylvania is Simon Fraser.
All right. Now we are going to move on to Florida, and let's hear your guesses. Start with your guess for Michigan. Do them in order.
For Group 3, we have Roger Sherman.
And for Group 4, we have Captain Samuel Ridley.
Right. Guess for Ohio is Valley Forge.
Our guest from Michigan is David Bushnell. Our guest for Florida is Roger Sherman.
Thank you very much. Pennsylvania. Okay, now what everybody's waiting for, correct answers. We'll do these in order again.
Correct answer is inventor David Bushnell created the first American submarine called the Turtle.
Go ahead.
Our correct answer was Roger Sherman or the Great Compromise.
All right, thank you. And Tusky Valley, Ohio, correct answer?
Our correct answer was Valley Forge.
All right, thank you, Ohio. And Spring Grove, Pennsylvania, correct answer.
The answer is John Honeyman.
And with that, let's go to Berrien Springs if you want to gather your students on camera and have everybody say goodbye.
Ready?
Bye.
Who was he or she?
All right, then over to Texas to say goodbye.
I love you.
Very nice, thank you. And over to Muskegon to say goodbye.
Bye.